Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The official Samsung Galaxy A57 has been spotted in the database. Samsung's next super sub-flagship hit is in the works. According to the latest available data, the new Samsung Galaxy A57 is already in development. Interesting new information, smartphone characteristics, and launch details have leaked online, and we can draw many conclusions. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung has almost finished releasing its phones this year. The only remaining model we'll see in 2025 is a dual folding Galaxy Trifold. So it's no surprise that engineers and developers are hard at work on Samsung's Galaxy smartphones for next year. More and more leaks are circulating about the premium Galaxy S26 lineup, and now some interesting information has emerged about the sub-flagship Samsung Galaxy A57. The Galaxy A57 will likely launch again, along with the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A27. They should then be complemented by cheaper entry-level phones, such as the Galaxy A17 and Galaxy A07. But the focus is on the best of the bunch, the Galaxy A57. It should be even more refined than its contemporary, the Galaxy A56. While Samsung's current strategy clearly indicates we won't see any breakthrough or revolutionary changes, it will undoubtedly once again become one of the most popular mid-range phones in the world. The database information has now become available online. The Galaxy A57's IMEI number appears to be SMA576BDS. This confirms early speculation that it will support 2 SIM cards, meaning it will be called dual SIM. This is good news for users who use their mobile phone for both personal and business communications, but don't want their contacts to be confused. As for the smartphone features, it will definitely be an Exynos. It's possible it will be the new Exynos 1680 chipset, which Samsung hasn't yet unveiled. It could be paired with the Xclipse 550 GPU. The integrated storage will likely be up to 256GB, and 12GB of RAM is expected. The cameras could remain the same as the Galaxy A56, with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. A slight improvement would be nice, but nothing is certain. And the front will likely remain the same, a 12-megapixel camera. The Galaxy A57, like other mid-range models, is scheduled to launch next spring, expected in March or April. They are expected to be replaced by the Galaxy S26 Pro, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra at the end of January. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.